Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm an owner of Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified Google partner company. I'm personally satisfied in all of these. So yeah, let's get started on the question I have today. The question is, hi, one quick question. Okay, so I have an ad campaign with two ad groups and one ad for each. My question is related to keywords. Do I get rid of keywords that are not bringing conversions or clicks but are related? Do they hurt in any way if I leave them? Okay, so the question is for Google Ads in case if people don't know. Uh, so yeah, your question is for your Google ad campaign with two ad groups and one ad for each. Okay. My question is related to keywords. Do I get rid of keywords that are not bringing conversions or clicks but are related? Okay. If they are not bringing conversions, I'm going to give you a different recipe, and if they are not going to bringing clicks, I'm going to give you a different recipe. So if they are not bringing conversions, my recommendation: create another ad group with more personalized ad. Okay, understand the intent as well. So understanding intent is also very important. uh, in case if the keyword is not relevant to your product or service, or in case if the intent is not of a buying one, there is not purpose of working on it. But in case if that is working well and that is not bringing conversions but bringing clicks, it means that we have to come up with a more personalized ad, and if possible more personalized landing page as well, and that is going to win over here. Okay, so if they are not bringing clicks, okay, if they are not bringing clicks, you need to understand why. Is it due to low quality score, high CPC, or both? Okay, again, it all comes to, is the keyword worth it or not? You have to specify on if the search volume, and then understand the intent behind the keyword. Like I see that it's a buying keyword, and that if your pure competitor, your best competitor is on it or not. So if your best competitor is on it, okay, and the keyword is buying, it definitely worth working on. Again, then if that is the scenario, then either if it's a high CPC or it's a low quality score, we have to sort out all of these problems. So again, what we are going to come add with a lot of ad extensions. Tell people that ad extensions can grab attentions, because ads with having ad extensions, that is this is a tool where I can show you. Now this is an ordinary ad, but in case if I add extensions, it's like styling extension, advertiser rating can bring the trust, location can bring the trust, authority, the phone is over here. So and in case if you can add price extension or a discount, a deal extension, adding these extensions can win over us, and this could be an answer for this as well. So add with lots of extensions plus a separate ad group with dedicated keyword and dedicated ad, that is going to win over here. So yeah, you can try this as well, and this definitely can bring you an amazing sale. So yeah, I hope this I answers your question. But in case if you have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And in case if you're looking for a professional help for your Google Ads campaign, me and my team can definitely help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we're going to help make sure to get an awesome Google Ads campaign for you. So yeah, I look forward working with you. Make sure to hire us through the link in the description. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.